In today's video, we're going to be making boardwalk style sausage and pepper sandwich. It's the perfect snack. Start by grilling your sweet Italian sausage at 325 degrees. Only lightly grill them because we will finish them in the pan later. Prepare your bell peppers by cutting the ribs out. Then cut them into 1/4 inch wide strips. Do the same with 1 white onion. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to your smoking hot pan. Then add the peppers and onions. Add sea salt, add oregano, add hot seeds, add garlic powder, add ground black pepper, stir until the edges are slightly caramelized.
Who's there, Brofus?
Add 1 cup of chicken broth. Be sure to scrape the bottom. Add the sausages back in and cover. Cook on low heat until the sausage is thoroughly cooked. Get yourself some nice hoagie rolls, slice them lengthwise. Slice the sausages lengthwise. And add them to the hoagie roll. Add some peppers, add some cheese. Place them in a 325-degree oven until the cheese is melted. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.